So we're currently on a daily fair value gap on ES. I'm watching this 1 hour fair value gap that we have within this. I want to see if we saw this small 1 minute kind of displacement candle, but I wouldn't really consider that displacement. Move this here, move this over. So you can see we're in this daily fair value gap. Yesterday we came short of the consequential encroachment. So if I trade this, I'm probably going to trade MES. Now my stop's above here, and I'm going to aim for these lows down here. We also took yesterday's high on NQ, so also paying attention to that. And if you notice, we took the high yesterday at NQ, and we have this SMT here on ES. That's important. And by SMT, I mean that NQ on the hourly is currently making higher highs in this direction. In this direction is NQ, and as you can see here, making this direction on ES. So that's important context. I'm going to say come take these lows. Got FOMC meeting minutes this afternoon, and CPI this morning. So the one thing about this is, maybe I should have taken my exit right here at these lows. NQ is now coming down into a 5-minute fair value gap after taking that high. So we could keep going up here, but I would definitely still like to. I would like to see if we can hit these lows. I don't know if we're going to though. I think maybe as I'm in this trade now, that maybe my better exit would have been as we took those lows. But I'm on the 1 minute chart, so let me see what the 5 minute going on here. So I'll just put it play out, and that's where I set my target, and I'm going to hold for that target. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I like that SMT that we saw. So now just wait. Probably skip ahead. If I edit this, I'll probably skip ahead until it either stops me out or hits my target price. So let's see. Let's go look at this is basically entry was around here, stops above here, and my reward is down there. So it's about a 1 to 3 risk to reward, which I like. I prefer 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Again, like I said in the video I posted yesterday, or I don't know if it was in there because I kind of did a shorter version of the whole video. I talked about I will take a 1 to 1 though, because I know my win rate's pretty high usually. So I'm just going to keep it small today. Don't have to do anything crazy. Yeah. I'm not much of a news trader, honestly, so. I'm always keeping my eye. Right now, NQ's running a lot harder than ES is. ES is always generally slower, and that's why I like to trade NQ over ES. Looking back now, I probably should have just taken that trade on NQ as we took yesterday's high for a turtle soup. But on days like today, I prefer to trade ES, honestly. When we got news going on and things might be more volatile, it's just a smarter decision. So my target price is down here around 4,400. Basically 6 points. I'm gonna add to that. So now I'm in 4 MAS contracts. Curious if we want to see it push down in a minute here. So now just letting it ride. It's either going to work or it's not. So I prefer to see this be this little 1 minute move up, be a little fake move, and then push down. But could just go and stop me out. So. It goes. All right, so we're gonna exit on that one. Doesn't look like we're gonna work on that one. Right now, NQ is respecting 5 minute fair value gap created at open. So just gonna watch right now. Why to respect your target price? Jesus. So now just kind of fading my stop out I did there. If I get confirmation and I know that, okay, the trade that I just took that I thought was going to stop me out, like if I know it's going to go in the direction I originally thought in my plan, I'll confirm that by taking a little more leverage. So I'm going to take one here, and we're just going to set the stop even though. See if we want to push down to my original exit here. And we're going. And I trade like that sometimes. Sometimes it's annoying, like, here, I set my stop. It was a good stop. My target price is good. And, and I'm out. So that right there, this happens, man. Like, I like to protect myself. If I see something going, if I'm like, okay, I'm most likely going to get stopped out here. Like, I'm 2 ticks away. I'm like, might as well just end it here. And then there, you see, it can all of a sudden we had that push down. I saw what NQ was doing, and again, taking in the higher time frame context, we're in a 1 hour fair value gap on ES. We had the SMT. What am I? I mean, I'm obviously short biased, so I got reconfirmed there, and I got back in, and it's not a big deal. I do that all the time. It's okay to get back in. Here, I protected myself. I just thought it was going to go against me, and then when it reconfirmed what I was thinking, I re-entered, and I re-entered with even more leverage because I just had even more confidence that okay, I can tell by the way this is moving with NQ that and all the other variables, the fair value gap taking yesterday's high on NQ and the SMT were going down. So that's what I did. So on my account now, you can see here yesterday's video I posted. I was up about 4, 5, 1, 3 something. So that's this is a good day, 435 up 435, and this account's almost funded. So gonna end it there. That's a good day. 5-10 minutes of trading and we're done. So, let's go ahead and I'm gonna be done trading for today now. So I'll close this. My drawdown is still at 2,500, so haven't really had any drawdown on this account. Doing well. Close this and see you guys.